Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. Building your own phone charging stand. We'll keep it simple, using materials you probably already have lying around: cardboard or wood scraps. The goal? A neat, elegant charging solution with a dedicated space for your charging cable. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need cardboard or wood. If using cardboard, thicker cardboard is preferable for durability. For wood, any scrap pieces will work. Consider the thickness to ensure stability. You'll also need a utility knife or saw, depending on your material. A ruler or measuring tape, a pencil, glue wood. Glue or hot glue works well, paint or finish of your choice, and a paintbrush or applicator. Let's start with the design. We'll keep it straightforward. The stand will consist of a base, a back support, and a front lip to prevent your phone from sliding off. The back support will have a cutout for the charging cable. The measurements will depend on your phone size. Measure your phone's width and height. Add a couple of centimeters to each dimension for the base and back support. For the front lip, a height of about 1 to 2 centimeters should be sufficient. The cable cutout should be wide enough for your charging cable to pass through comfortably. If you're using cardboard, draw the shapes onto the cardboard. For the base and back support, these will be rectangular. For the front lip, it's a shorter rectangle. Mark the cutout for the charging cable on the back support. If using wood, measure and mark your wood pieces according to your design. Remember to account for the thickness of the wood. Now, carefully cut out the pieces. For cardboard, use your utility knife and ruler for straight, clean cuts. For wood, use your saw. If you're not comfortable with a saw, consider asking for help. Take your time to ensure precise cuts. This is crucial for a professional-looking stand. Next, assemble the stand. For cardboard, apply glue to the edges and join the pieces. Make sure everything aligns correctly. For wood, apply wood glue to the joining surfaces. Clamps can be helpful to hold the pieces together while the glue dries. Attach the front lip to the base. Once the glue has dried, your stand should be assembled. For the cable cutout, ensure it's large enough for your charger to fit through. Now, for the finishing touches. This is where you can get creative. If you're using cardboard, you can paint it with your favorite color. Apply several thin coats for a smooth finish. If you're using wood, you can paint it, stain it, or apply a clear sealant to protect the wood. Let the paint or finish dry completely before using the stand. This will prevent scratches and give it a polished look. You can also add some rubber feet to the base for extra stability. And there you have it, your very own DIY phone charging stand. It's functional, looks great, and it costs you next to nothing. This project is a great way to declutter your space and keep your phone charged in style. Feel free to experiment with different designs and materials to personalize your stand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects. We'll see you in the next video.